This is how you can adjust the brush tool in Photoshop on your iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, naturally, we need to have the Photoshop ready and installed on the iPad. Like, make sure you are inside of a project when you're working with a photo. And in order to adjust the brush, like, you have to select it from the side panel, right? So it's like this, like, literally a brush icon. So when you click on it, you have the ability to pick the first color, the secondary color. You can also adjust the size by clicking on the number right there. So you can bump it up like this, right? Or you can click on the three dots so you can adjust the blend mode, the roundness, angle, flow, smoothing, and all of these like kind of advanced settings, right? However, if you specifically want to change the like tool or shape of the brush, have the brush tool selected and then tap on it once again, which makes this another window pop up. This is where you get to pick from the brush shapes. So I don't know, like 20 or like 30 are already available, so you can pick from those. But you also have the plus button at the bottom, which lets you discover new brushes or even import them from your Files app if you have some stored from your computer or from the internet downloaded somehow, right? You can import those right here. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to adjust your brush tool within Photoshop. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.